Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start a new design and set the ratio to 16:9 for standard video output. Select a template or a blank project, then set the resolution to 1080p and a target frame rate of 30 FPS so your final file matches platform requirements. Decide a total run time, for example 60 seconds, and divide that into scenes or slides. Plan roughly 5 to 15 seconds per scene depending on pacing. Name your project, save frequently, and organize folders for uploads before adding assets. Upload footage and images, then trim clips directly on the Canva timeline to remove dead space and keep your pacing tight. Use built-in stock video and adjust clip duration to 15 seconds or less when a faster cut is needed, or extend to 30 seconds for long-form moments. Apply consistent fonts, colors, and a single 16:9 safe margin to all scenes to ensure text is readable on mobile. Lock background layers, group elements, and use duplicate scenes to maintain design consistency across the project. Record or upload a voiceover track, then move and trim it to match scene timings so narration aligns with on-screen visuals. Add background music at a lower level, ducking audio by 6 to 12 dB under the voiceover, and apply subtle animations and transitions. Avoid heavy effects on more than 25% of scenes to keep focus on content. Preview playback at full speed, then export as MP4 1080p at 30 FPS. Review the file size and adjust bitrate if you need a smaller upload under platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.